Find ion in addition to static electricity. Use TREK157 today. Performance of ion high-frequency ion air gun. Perform performance measurements. So let's start with a measurement scenario. It's easier to observe. There is also a barometer on the ion air gun. It's convenient to see an air pressure on the gun. The air pressure used is 0.2 megapascals. The distance between the gun and the ion collection plate is 15 centimeters. Let's start taking measurements now. It is with a bracelet when measuring. In order to ensure that the static electricity of the human body does not affect him, this air pressure on this barometer, it's 200 billion. Let's start taking measurements now. So the first thing we measure is the ion balance. A change in the ion balance. The screen is tens. Then now the negative attenuation measurement. Positive decay curve width. The decay time is also measured.